I'm here with the lovely Caitlin. We're here to treat some of the capillaries today, and we're going to see some fantastic results after a few sessions. Just wanted to see if you're with me. So I'm applying a cold gel. This is an ultrasound gel, and essentially what this does is it provides a cold surface. You're going to experience a real bright flash of light. Even though the light is orange, you're going to see it as kind of like a greenish color.
See it, and I'm always like, I like my raws to be as close to the final product as possible. So the better my skin is, and the less like imperfection, the easier the edit, the better the work. So everybody's happy.
All right, test spot 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Yeah.
Right.
I got more nervous. I was like, I wasn't sure what to do.
Not too bad, I hope. Is one side worse than the other?
I feel like this side is the worst side.
That's your driver's side, so
Fun stuff. Definitely a lot of fun stuff like coming up for me,
that's great.
which is really exciting to kind of like end the year off really well.
Yeah,
So
and it's strong.
yeah, and it's fun because like I'm an independent model, so
That makes
every
you-
time I've been like published, like I remember going to Barnes and Noble and like picking up a magazine and being like, oh my gosh, like
Yeah, I'm in there.
I did this. Like no agency did this for me. Like
That's huge.
that's me.
That is
It's
huge.
definitely fun. Like and you know Instagram's been huge because you know being a short model, some agencies wouldn't even look my way because they're like, oh well, we want you to be at least 5'6", and I'm like, no.
Yeah.
With my heels, I'm 5'5".
I get it.
But now they're like, because they could. It's not. I don't think it's a matter of like how tall you are. It's are you good at what you do?
That's truly what matters.
Yeah.
Unless you're doing runway or something
Yeah,
like
runway.
that.
I won't do runway. Yeah, I won't do that. But
Put your lips together for me real quick.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Christine. I'm at Laser Clinique with Dr. Ataii, and I just got the XLV and Genesis laser treatment. On my face, it was super easy. I didn't feel really any pain. At the end, it was like actually kind of comfortable, and I can't wait to see the results and show you guys.